Coming.
Wake up call. Wake up call.
Hi.
Yeah.
Debbie, Donna. Are you going to take pictures? Would you like to take pictures?
Hello.
Can we like open? It's too dark. Yeah. Turn on the light, please.
Hello.
Hello. Si Rosie. Rosie. Huh? Rosie.
Hi.
Huh? Jay. JP. Sa Kasuela. Ha? Anak ko, ang Patsy. Tapos si Rosie. Si Rosie. Son of Len. Son of Len. Yeah. Smiley.
You still remember her, Rosie?
I've seen pictures. Yeah.
Hello.
And she's Debbie.
Daughter of Linda. Sayang ng kanya.
And then Donna.
Mm.
She's happy that you're back. Take photos. Yeah, take a photo.
What?
What?
Yeah, yeah.
Mamaya.